Pharmaceutical applications and therapeutic potential of Melissa officinalis L. A review. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Melissa officinalis, MO, also called lemon balm, is a perennial herbaceous plant that consists of a variety of potent phytochemicals. Melissa officinalis is widely recognized for its therapeutic properties and is used globally in the prevention and management of various diseases. It contains several bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, terpenoids, phenolic acids, tannins, and essential oils. Key constituents include triterpenes, ursolic acid and oleanolic acid, phenolic acids, rosmarinic acid, caffeic acid, and chlorogenic acid, flavonoids, quercetin, rhamnocitrin, and luteolin, and volatile compounds, geranial, neral, citronellal, and geraniol. Biological research has demonstrated that the essential oil and extracts of Melissa officinalis exhibit diverse pharmacological activities, making them promising candidates for medical applications. This review provides a comprehensive overview of its botanical characteristics, traditional uses, phytochemical profile, and pharmacological effects, highlighting its potential as an alternative therapeutic agent for various health conditions due to its rich phytochemical composition. Further experimental and clinical studies could be designed in the future to explore other potential molecular pathways involved in disease pathogenesis that could be the future therapeutic approach in the treatment and prevention of cardiometabolic diseases. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.